In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin Google Chrome to Taskbar on Windows 11. To begin, locate the Google Chrome app on your computer. You can find it from the Start menu, from a desktop shortcut if you have one, or anywhere else. The Chrome app icon appears. Once you see the Google Chrome icon, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to the app. After you right-click, select Show More Options. In Windows 11, some app commands are placed inside this extended menu, so if you do not immediately see the option you need, this is the normal place to check. Clicking Show More Options opens the classic right-click menu and gives you access to additional choices that may not appear in the first menu. From there, select Pin to Taskbar. As soon as you click it, Google Chrome will be added to your Windows 11 taskbar. You should now see the Chrome icon pinned along the bottom of your screen. This means it will stay there for quick access, even after you close the browser. If Chrome is already open when you do this, you may notice the icon is already visible on the taskbar. Pinning it makes that icon permanent, so it does not disappear once the app is closed. That can be especially useful if Chrome is your main browser and you want a faster way to launch it anytime. If you do not see the Pin to Taskbar option, make sure you are right-clicking the actual Google Chrome app and not a file, web page, or unrelated shortcut. In most cases, using the app icon from the Start menu or desktop works best. That covers everything you need to know.